learn how to create PLC project. Click on PLC, then select Add New Item, then select Standard PLC Project. Give a name to your PLC project and click Add. Here you will see that the PLC project is created and you will find main program under POUs. After that, we will then start to create a global variable list, which is the list of variables that we will use to link the physical IOs or to the PLC program that we are going to create. At the section GVL, right click, select Add, then select Global Variable List. Rename it as GVL and we click Open. And the Global Variable List is created. We can then declare the variables as shown over here. The variable with bool data type will be linked to the digital IOs, while the variables with the integer data type will be linked to the analog IOs. We will also need to specify if the variable is an input or an output.